Imagine a world where the solutions to our environmental challenges don't come from high-tech labs or policy summits, but from local farmers and engineers working with nature and practical technologies every day. As the global push for sustainability gains momentum, it's becoming clear that top-down mandates and flashy innovations alone won't create lasting change. Instead, the future of sustainability may lie in grassroots solutions, practices and technologies shaped by the people who understand the land, climate, and communities they serve. Farmers and engineers are showing us that the key to a resilient, greener world lies not in imposing new systems from above, but in building on the knowledge and expertise that have been nurtured on the ground for generations. Farmers are at the forefront of this movement through regenerative agriculture, which aims not only to grow food, but also to restore ecosystems. Unlike industrial farming, which often leads to soil degradation, pollution, and loss of biodiversity, regenerative farming focuses on improving soil health, increasing biodiversity, and capturing carbon from the atmosphere. Techniques like crop rotation, composting, and integrated livestock management transform agriculture into a powerful climate solution. These methods draw carbon into the soil while enriching it, creating sustainable systems that support both food production and environmental health. Farmers bring invaluable local knowledge to the table, understanding the nuances of their land and adapting their practices to suit the climate, soil, and cultural needs of their regions. This localized approach makes their systems naturally resilient and less reliant on industrial inputs like chemical fertilizers and pesticides, which degrade ecosystems and leave farmers dependent on external resources. By embracing regenerative practices, farmers are proving that we can feed growing populations without compromising the planet's future. On another front, engineers are driving sustainability through practical, affordable, and scalable innovations. Renewable energy is a prime example of how engineering can create transformative solutions. Engineers are developing technologies that harness the power of solar, wind, and hydropower, not just for large-scale projects, but for community-driven systems that provide consistent and reliable energy. Microgrids powered by solar panels or wind turbines are bringing electricity to rural areas far from national grids, offering cost-effective and resilient solutions in regions prone to extreme weather. Engineers are also finding ways to manage water and waste more sustainably, with technologies like drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting improving water efficiency for farmers and communities alike. Systems like biogas digesters are converting organic waste into energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels while addressing waste management challenges. By designing repairable and durable technologies, engineers ensure that the tools they create can be maintained and used for years, extending their lifespan and reducing environmental impact. This approach is especially valuable in regions where access to new equipment is limited, but repair expertise is abundant. The power of bottom-up solutions lies in their adaptability and ability to draw on local strengths. Unlike top-down mandates, which often fail to account for the unique challenges faced by different regions, grassroots solutions are inherently flexible and tailored to real-world conditions. Local farmers and engineers understand their community's cultural, economic, and environmental needs, creating systems that are practical and widely embraced. Farmers might develop drought-resistant techniques in one region, while engineers in another create innovative wind power systems. These localized solutions are critical to achieving sustainability on a global scale, yet they often go unnoticed by policymakers and large organizations. By empowering these individuals and communities, we can strengthen local economies, reduce dependence on external systems, and foster a self-sustaining cycle of innovation and adaptation that ripples across regions. The lessons learned from these grassroots efforts offer a model for global sustainability. Instead of relying solely on top-down policies or untested technologies, we can amplify the solutions already being practiced at the local level. Regenerative agriculture is a clear example of this potential. Investing in practices like no-till farming, agroforestry, and cover cropping can simultaneously restore degraded lands, improve food security, and mitigate climate change. Farmers gain more resilient crops and reduce dependence on costly inputs like synthetic fertilizers, while the environment benefits from healthier ecosystems. Similarly, decentralized energy systems like solar microgrids and wind turbines can address the energy needs of developing regions without requiring massive infrastructure projects. These systems provide reliable power, reduce emissions, and enhance energy security, all while being tailored to local conditions. Engineers can also play a vital role by focusing on repairable and modular technologies that reduce waste and create jobs. By designing tools and systems that can be easily fixed or adapted, they empower communities to take control of their energy, water, and waste systems. This reduces reliance on imports and external expertise, while promoting local entrepreneurship and sustainability. Supporting farmers and engineers in their efforts isn't just about environmental benefits. It's about building resilient, self-sufficient communities that can thrive in a changing world. The path to a sustainable future doesn't lie in sweeping policies or expensive technologies imposed from above. It lies in the hands of farmers and engineers who understand the land and its needs. These individuals offer a blueprint for a greener world, one that prioritizes local knowledge, practical innovation, and community-driven solutions. By investing in grassroots efforts and empowering those who are already making a difference, we can build a future where sustainability isn't just a lofty goal. It's a reality rooted in everyday practices. The solutions are already here. All we need to do is support the people who know how to implement them.